Hi there YouTube. Uh, Today I'm going to show you how to install something from the internet. Say if you, for example, downloaded a piece of software from an unidentified developer, as it's called from Apple's perspective. I would basically show you how to install that. So if you first download the software you want. So for example, I wanted to download Java for to use some applications, some web applications. Alright, so yeah, so basically I downloaded Java in this disk drive here, and then if I double click, it brings up this box here. Because I obviously changed it in the settings previously. But if you before you change it, obviously it will come up with can't install application because it's from an unidentified developer. So basically, is in if we go to system preferences and go to security and privacy, it's in general. If we unlock this box, with your admin password, and generally is this box ticked or this box selected, sorry. So this box will only allow you to install applications that you've downloaded from the App Store. This one here is from any anywhere on the App Store and any developers that Apple recognize. And this one here, obviously I had that ticked already. That basically allows you to download and install from anywhere. It will bring up this box here. So basically this just warns you that the software is downloaded from somewhere on the internet, and it just warns you if you want to install it anyway. So if you press open, and then enter your admin password again, and click, obviously this is the setup of the Java installation. And it's up to you whether you want Yahoo, but I'm not keen on it, to be honest. And it just runs through the installation. Also, whilst we're waiting for this to load, if you have any suggestions on future videos that you would like to see from me, if you put a comment in any of the videos, get around to or I will get around to doing those videos for you, so it's quite handy for you then. And then it's successful, so then obviously Chrome doesn't support it yet on El Capitan, I don't think, but I've just recently updated to El Capitan on this Mac, so yeah, that's basically how to install an application and how to make, or how to find out how to download and install applications from the security preferences as well. So like the Apple Mac Store and identified developers allow from anywhere. Yep. Thanks for watching, and yeah, have a good day.